What? Hey you guys, we're here today for an epic skate game. We're here with Nigel Jones, Kelly Wacasa, my name is Gabe Cruz, Carlos Lastra, and Uzi Walker Dan. And we don't know what this game is called, but we're gonna run you through it very quick. So, these four are playing the game. They're gonna Rochambeau to see the order in which they go. And then, the person that goes first has to set a trick, and they have 6 tries. I repeat, they have 6 tries to land said trick. If they don't land it, the trick goes to the next person in line.
Go.
So basically, let's say Nigel starts, he doesn't land his trick in 6 tries, and then Kelly goes, and he sets a trick in 3 tries. Then he gets 3 for that round. And then all of these guys have to do Kelly's trick, and however many tries it takes them is the number they get for that round.
So the person with the least amount of points at the end of the game
Exactly.
wins?
The point of the game is to get the least amount of points. So
What's the point of the game?
the point of the game is to point in the direction of a trick and then do the trick and get the least amount of points. Do you get my point?
Gabe. I see your point, Gabe.
Thank you, Carlos.
Sorry,
Finally,
just so
someone
I know.
understands me. Okay, so I think you guys should just Rochambeau, and then for those of you who don't understand, just watch the video and you'll get it.
You'll catch on.
Pull up to the Rochambeau court.
Okay, you go on time this time.
Here we
You
go.
always go too early. Yeah.
This is
that's
good.
a
This is good.
Great
This is
start.
good.
Wait.
I'm playing my cards right
Well,
now.
he got scissors anyways.
What are you talking about? You said wait at the
Because he was
last
way
one.
off.
You can't do that. Okay, all right, ready? I'm gonna say when to go, all right?
You always. He was way off.
Arms at the ready!
Me and you were on time.
It's just a Rochambeau,
You should get out for that.
You know what? Just, I don't care.
Ah,
No,
Am I
I'm
starting
going
this
second
or
to last.
what? I don't know. I don't know.
Pull up then. Let's see.
These guys give me
you go
hardcore
first.
anxiety. Literally.
Uzi can go first.
You know what? You know
That's
what?
fine.
Uzi, go first. Okay? Okay, this one said, the first name said Uzi, and then the second was Nigel, Carlos, and Kelly. And it got changed to Oopsie Nocturnal Conundrum Jelly. Fetty, you're a funny guy. Oh, hey, Fetty's here to keep score and ref and make sure everyone doesn't get salty and start fighting.
Yes.
All right, so the first thing Uzi's doing, I'm not sure, but I know given Uzi's history that it's probably gonna take him a good 7 minutes just to decide what trick to do. Okay, he's gonna back 180 to 5. Good start, good start. There you go. So Uzi has set the back 180, so he gets 1 point for this round, I guess. And Kelly, you're up.
Can we like replay and let me go first?
That was perfect. Hey, you gave him
I'm
the
gonna start
first.
tearing up right now.
You know, I'm tearing up too because you're leaving.
I haven't been up these
Kelly and
stairs in
Luke
a
are
long,
leaving.
long time. Hold on,
You know,
hold
this
on.
could be one of the last times you ever walk up this stair.
Dude, it's not like I'm going that far. Like,
It's like you're basically dying.
dude, well, you know, just give me 20 minutes. Let me stretch.
It was nice knowing you, Kelly.
A back 180.
Yeah. Hey, just
Haven't seen
bro.
that since 06.
That was actually a really smart move. Everyone except for Uzi and Fetty have that problem. Hey, if Braille Army hits 400,000 subscribers, I will give Aussie Dan a persistence. 40K away.
I can't.
You have 5 more tries.
Dude, no. We have 5 tries? Dude, I haven't done a back 180 since like 06.
So it's looking like Kelly's gonna just skip this because you know that's the way it's looking. So
we had more
basically, if you
time.
don't do the trick, you get 7 points because you get that penalty for not landing it. That extra point penalty plus 1 if you don't land it at all. Let's say you land it on the 6th try, you still get 6. So 7 is the max. Oh, Kelly, you.
So are you gonna do
So wait, what is the deal? Give me my options.
Okay, so basically here you get 6 tries to land it, and if you don't land it, you get 7 points because
How many points do we want?
Why are you going Mach 10? Let's go! So after this, it's Nigel's turn on offense. We don't want Uzi to go through 9 rounds of just doing weird Uzi tricks, so we're gonna switch it up so everyone gets a turn every single try, because we're all about pushing skateboarding, having fun with your friends, and going out there and progressing together.
Kelly, stop!
Since 5:30 yesterday.
So he's got 2 more tries, and if he doesn't land it, then he gets 7 points. He popped too late. He literally sounds so concerned.
I handed you off, dude!
Close, but no tamales. 7.
Fetty, that's a 7.
Braille Hall of Fame for that one.
Am I allowed to give advice? No. I want to see this because you don't see Nigel do back 180s very often.
As you can tell, I don't do back 180s.
We're in the same boat.
He's gonna be on his 5th try right here. So that's a 6. Oh. He said he wanted it first try. That's why I knew he wasn't gonna land it first try. The backside tricks, his weakness down stuff. Oh! Uzi, he's striking smart, my friend.
If there's a lesson to be learned here, is that everybody progresses at their own pace.
That although Carlos is a deity, he's also human. That's a 3! Kelly Wakasa, your trick on offense.
I'm gonna do a backside 360 on the hip.
So he's doing a back 3 on the big hip.
I'm that confident. Big hit. Let's go, baby.
Let's go. That's what I like to hear. Kelly Wakasa, bro.
We're past that, man. Give me a little tap. No homo.
Sports related.
Don't get any ideas.
1 on the clock. 1 o'clock. It's actually 2:20. I don't think he's gonna land it, if I'm being honest with you. It's your standard skate park hip. I wouldn't necessarily say regulation, but it's pretty normal.
How many tries do I have left? That was so wet.
I think that's the hardest I've ever seen Kelly fall.
That was really bad.
That was good. I just wish he landed it sooner.
I'm not used to this hip.
I'm not gonna lie, this is very scary. I don't have them, but I do know what you're talking about. That is a fall. The filmer curse. That does count as 1 try though. Back 180 to switch Manny. Come on, Uzi, you got this. Hey, yeah, if he didn't have that wrist guard, he'd be hucked over like this, making a lot of very weird breathing noises. Six. Going for the shove because he has 6 tries, which is smart. Really impressive. Possibly the loudest thing I've ever heard in my entire life. You got a little smudge there. Let me get that for you. His balance is off.
You can do it!
Quattro.
He knew my only other weakness. Back threes and shove-its.
Honestly, I just don't like shove-its because, like tray flips, you land the same way. Like shove-its, you're flipping your board 180. When I'm riding around, I'm like, why would I want to do a shove-it? I don't want to ride my board backwards. Maybe I'll just try to do it first try and luck it. Just hug it. Lucking. Oh, my bones bounced off the concrete like a xylophone.
Like a xylophone. That trick's impossible.
I don't remember last time you popped shove. You got it! Fetty gave you a 7 already, Uzi.
You better erase that 7. How many tries have I tried? 3? 3. Oopsie.
Your yeet to shove it ratio's off.
It's like this.
Fetty's 7 prophecy was correct.
You did that one.
That's a 7!
Rip my britches.
I'm gonna tag Luke.
It's gonna be a no for me,
Can I
dog.
phone a friend? I'm gonna go with A.
Just give him the 7 at this point, you know?
I mean, you can go for it. Announce that you're taking a 7.
I'll take 6.
7 for Kelly.
7. Yeah,
That's max.
thank you, Fetty.
That's max.
Thank you.
All right, Carlos, it is your turn. Relax. Look, Fetty gave him a 7 and he landed it in 3. Dang, girl! And Uzi, it is your turn to set a trick again.
Carlos is way ahead, so I don't know what I can get him on, except for like something that's like medium hard, but I don't know if I could land that. Or I could do something like I could land quick, but I know Carlos is gonna get it. Daniel, help me think. What can I do that Carlos can't do?
Hard flip to hip.
Oh,
Let me just tell you, the hard flip, I've seen Uzi do these a lot. It's a hit or miss. He either lands it in 2 tries or it takes him like an hour. So we'll see what day it is today. One of those. It is one of those. Wow! That was good! Wow! Kelly's just having a rough day, man. He just got back from vacation. I think he's still jet lagged. I thought you had kids, not anymore.
I really I went for that one.
Yeah, 2 more.
You know how a lot of tricks are like commitment?
Yeah.
Well, this one is skill.
You're actually right, yeah.
Place your bets right here.
One more try. Fetty's already handing out numbers, all right? He's right, but it's not nice. You got it, Nigel! Oh, no. Fetty guessed 5 tries and he landed it in 5 tries. He already wrote it on the board before he even did it. Well done, Fetty. Did you write one for Carlos? You got it, Carlos.
Don't ever talk to my son like that.
I'm very confused. Ellie, that's your trick?
So help me out and cut some of these out.
Kelly is quite good at that trick.
Yeah, I knew it all along. I had it in myself. I believe in myself. You know, I got pictures of myself at my place because I'm the first one to believe in myself.
You don't ever see Nigel do that trick. He did it faster than you. That's 1 for Carlos and 2 for Nigel. He's convinced the world is a simulation. I think he is.
This is funny. Who's pulling a prank on me?
Dude, it's a rough game out there, man. Kelly's about to have an emotional breakdown. 2 tries. Let's go! Little man can jump!
First drizzle.
He didn't pop, that's not a try.
It's like this, 10 miles per hour, 74.
I'm the one that requested that Nigel do this. That right there is a 7. Just happened with my fingers, they just glitched.
Do it, Kelly.
What is that? I don't know.
Hey, if he falls though, he's got that puffy jacket, so it's not gonna hurt.
Yeah.
All right, Carlos, this is the last offensive try of the game. Uzi, you're up!
I don't like. It's like one of those tricks. It's like, oh God, man, it looks so easy.
That's disrespect. He knows this is a weakness, and he just does it all willy-nilly, laughing.
I think Fetty gave Uzi a 7 already. Wow! In first place is Conundrum Carlos with 17 points. Second place is Nocturnal Nigel with 26 points. Third place is Oopsie Uzi with 30 points. And in last place is Jelly Kelly with 47 points.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my goodness.
I had a great time.
Great. I hope you guys enjoyed that
That was
video.
really fun.
Please subscribe, like, and leave it in a comment below if you'd like to see another one of these games with Aaron and Fetty and other people as well. Click the videos to my left to check out other playlists and videos on the Braille channel that you guys will enjoy, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you.